Hello everyone, welcome back yet another lecture of SM online class, and in this class we are going to discuss exercise 7G, that is derivative of implicit function. Okay, so let us start. So number 1 is find dy by dx. Question number 1, this is xy square plus x square y plus 1 equal to 0. Okay, now step 1 is what? Differentiating both sides with respect to x. Okay, right here differentiating both sides with respect to x, that is d by dx of xy square plus d by dx of x square y plus d by dx of 0 equal to d by dx 1. This is d by dx of 0. Okay, now this is equal to y square into derivative of x with respect to 1 plus x into derivative of y square. This is 2y into dy by dx. Okay, plus derivative of x square y, that is y into derivative of x square, that is 2x plus x square into dy by dx, and here the derivative of 1 is 0 and derivative of 0 is 0. Okay, or implies that taking term containing dy by dx to right hand side, this is x square into dy by dx plus 2xy dy by dx, remaining other term, that is minus y square and minus 2xy. Okay, and after taking common dy by dx, x square plus 2xy equal to minus taking common, this is y square plus 2xy. Okay, and finally we get dy by dx equal to minus of y square plus 2xy upon x square plus 2xy. Okay, now move to question number 2. X to the power half into y to the power minus half plus x to the power 3 by 2 into y to the power minus 3 by 2 equal to 0. Okay, first it is simplified, that is x to the power half divided by y to the power half plus this is x to the power 3 by 2 upon y to the power 3 by 2. Okay, and taking this term to right hand side, it is equal to x by y whole to the power half equal to minus of x by y whole to the power 3 by 2. Okay, and the term 2 and 2 are cancelled, or implies that x by y equal to minus of x by y whole cube. Okay, and this is equal to, this is the power 1 and this is the power 3, and it is cancelled to each other, so finally we get x by y equal to what? Plus minus 1. Okay, now taking derivative both sides, now taking derivative both sides, you get y into derivative of x, this is 1 minus derivative minus x into dy by dx upon x square equal to 0. Okay, or implies that y minus x dy by dx equal to 0, or implies that dy by dx equal to what? Y upon x. Okay, now move to question number 3. Question number 3 is that x square plus 3y square. Very simple. X square plus 3y square equal to 5. Differentiating both sides. Right here differentiating both sides with respect to x, we get 2x plus this is 3 constant. Derivative of y square, that is 2y divided by dx, and derivative of 5 equal to 0. Or finally we get dy by dx equal to what? This is minus 2x upon 6y. Okay, and it is again equal to minus x upon 3y. Now move to question number 4. Question number 4. Y square cot x equal to x square cot y. Y square cot x equal to x square into cot y. Okay. Now differentiating both sides, we get cot x into 2y dy by dx plus y square into derivative of cot x. This is minus cos x square x. Okay. Now equal to x square into cot y into derivative of x square, that is 2x plus x square into derivative of cot y. This is minus cos x square y into dy by dx. So taking dy by dx to left hand side, this is cot x dy by dx. This is cot x into 2y dy by dx, and this is minus it is plus x square cos x square y dy by dx. Okay, and this is cot y into 2x or 2x cot y, and this is minus, this is right hand side, so plus y square cos x square x. Okay, now taking dy by dx common, this is cot x into 2y plus x square into cos x square y. Okay, and it is equal to 2x cot y plus y square cos x square x. And finally we get dy by dx equal to 2x into cot y plus y square cos x square x upon cot x into 2y plus x square cos x square y. This is the answer. Okay. Now move to question number 5. This is y equal to tan of xy. Question number 5. Y equal to tan of xy. Okay. Then dy by dx equal to, this is x square xy into derivative of xy. This is y into derivative of x1 plus x into dy by dx. Okay, and this is equal to x square xy. This is y into x square xy plus x into x square xy dy by dx. Okay, or implies that dy by dx minus x square xy dy by dx equal to y into x square of xy. Okay, or implies that taking dy by dx as a common, so it is 1 minus x into x square of xy, okay, equal to y into sec square of xy, and finally we get dy by dx equal to y into sec square xy upon 1 minus x into sec square xy. Okay, now move to question number 6. X equal to y ln of xy. Question number 6. In question number 6 here, x equal to y into ln of xy. Y into ln of xy. Differentiating both sides. This is 1 and this is ln of xy. Derivative of y with respect to x plus y into derivative of ln xy. This is 1 by xy, and derivative of xy, this is y plus x dy by dx. Okay, it is equal to ln of xy dy by dx. Okay, y cancel, and this is plus y upon x. Okay, y cancel, y upon x plus this is y cancel, x cancel, dy by dx. Okay, first this y cancel, so upon the bracket it is y by x, and again y cancel, this is x cancel, so dy by dx. Okay, and implies that 1 minus y by x equal to, taking dy by dx common, this is ln of xy plus 1, or implies that dy by dx equal to 1 minus y by x upon 1 plus ln of xy, and taking LCM and simplify this equation. Okay, now question number 7. Question number 7. This is e to the power xy plus y sin x equal to 1. Okay, now differentiating both sides, we get e to the power xy into derivative of xy. This is y plus x dy by dx. Okay, plus this is sin x into dy by dx plus y into derivative of sin x, this is cos x, equal to derivative of 1, this is 0. Okay, or implies that y into e to the power xy plus x into e to the power xy dy by dx equal plus sin x into dy by dx, okay, plus y cos x equal to 0. Okay, now taking dy by dx common, so it is equal to dy by dx, this is x into e to the power xy plus sin x, and remaining term taking right hand side, this is minus of y to the power e to the power xy plus, and this is another term, this is y cos x. Okay, and now dy by dx equal to, this is minus of y into e to the power xy plus y cos x upon x into e to the power xy plus sin x. Okay, Now question number 8. Question number 8. This is ln of x square plus y square root over equal to tan inverse y by x. Okay, the first differentiating both sides with respect to x, we get here 1 by x square plus y square root over, okay, and derivative of dy dx of x square plus y square root over, okay, equal to tan inverse f of x. This is 1 by 1 plus y square by x square, okay, into derivative of y by x, into derivative of y by x, okay. Now it is equal to again 1 by x square plus y square root over, and derivative of x square plus y square, this is 1 by 2 into root over of x square plus y square, and again derivative of x square plus y square, this is 2x plus 2y into dy by dx, okay, and in right hand side it is equal to x square upon x square plus y square into, this is derivative of y by x, it is equal to what, x into dy by dx minus y upon x square, okay, and in next step we simplify here. This is equal to this root over of x square plus y square into this root over of x square plus y square cancel, and taking 2 as a common factor, so 2 we cancel, okay. So finally we get here after open the bracket we get here x square plus y square, x square plus y square, this is 2 cancel, so x upon x square plus y square, okay, plus y upon x square plus y square and dy by dx, okay, and right hand side this is x square cancel, x square cancel, and open the bracket, this is x upon x square plus y square dy by dx, okay, minus y upon x square plus y square. Now taking dy by dx to left hand side, it is equal to y upon x square plus y square dy by dx, okay, minus x upon x square plus y square dy by dx equal to it is minus x upon x square plus y square minus y upon x square plus y square, okay, or implies that dy by dx taking common, it is equal to y upon x square plus y square minus x upon x square plus y square, or taking minus as a common, so it is equal to x upon x square plus y square plus y upon x square plus y square, and in next step taking LCM, okay, to both sides, left hand side and right hand side. This is equal to implies that here x square plus y square is taking LCM, so it is equal to dy by dx into y minus x upon x square plus y square, and it is right hand side, again this is x square plus y square taking LCM, so it is equal to minus of x plus y upon x square plus y square, and this x square plus y square and x square plus y square cancels, and finally we get here dy by dx equal to minus of x plus y upon y minus x, and minus sign used in this term, we get here x plus y upon x minus y. Okay, this is the answer. Now move to question number 9. Move to question number 9. This is y to the power x equal to x to the power sin y. Okay, taking logarithm both sides right here. This is x ln y, and this is sin y into ln x. Okay, and again differentiating both sides. This is ln x into derivative of x with respect to x. This is 1 plus x into derivative of ln y. This is 1 by y dy by dx equal to, this is product rule. This is sin y into ln x, so it is equal to ln x into derivative of sin y. This is cos y into dy by dx. Okay, and this is plus sin y into derivative of ln x. This is 1 by x. Okay, now x by y dy by dx minus ln x into cos y dy by dx equal to sin y by x minus here ln x. Okay, and this is equal to dy by dx, taking common, and after taking LCM, this is x minus y ln x into cos y upon y. Okay, and in right hand side it is sin y minus x ln x. Okay, upon x, and dy by dx equal to, this term is multiplied, the total term is divided in this term, and we get finally answer. Okay, now move to question number 10. Now question number 10. A important question. Sin of x plus y. It is given that if sin of x plus y equal to y cos of x plus y cos of x plus y, and we have to prove that dy by dx equal to minus of 1 plus y square upon y square. Okay, this is the question. We have to prove dy by dx equal to minus of 1 plus y square upon y square. So this is the given expression. So here we write here y equal to what? Sin of x plus y upon cos of x plus y. This is tan of x plus y. Okay, now right here differentiating both sides with respect to x, we get dy by dx equal to tan of x plus y, that is x square of x plus y into derivative of x plus y. This is 1 plus dy by dx. In this proof, it is term containing y square. Okay, so change its first into, this is 1 plus tan square x plus y. We write here sec square of x plus y, that is 1 plus tan square of x plus y into 1 plus dy by dx. And this y to tan of x plus y, so tan square of x plus y equal to what? 1 plus y square into 1 plus dy upon dx. Okay. Now it is 1 plus y square into 1. This is 1 plus y square. And 1 plus y square into dy by dx. This is dy by dx plus y square into dy by dx. And in left hand side this is dy by dx, or implies that dy by dx minus of y square dy by dx. Okay. Sorry. 1 dy by dx is cancelled. Here 1 dy by dx term is cancelled. This is this dy by dx and this dy by dx is cancelled. Okay. So here we get y square into dy by dx equal to minus of 1 plus y square. Okay. Or implies that dy by dx equal to minus of 1 plus y square upon y square. Okay, this is the solution. This is a very important question. And another important question, this is question number 11. Okay, এই কোশ্চেনটা লং কোশ্চেন আছে সিএইচএসসি বোর্ড রে, আর এবার যে 10 নম্বর করলে এটা 4 মার্ক আছে। Now question number 11 is given that if root over of 1 minus x to the power 4 plus root over of 1 minus y to the power 4 equal to k into x square minus y square, okay, then prove that dy by dx equal to, this is x into 1 minus y to the power 4 root over upon y into 1 minus x to the power 4 root over. Okay, this is the question. Clear? Now take x square equal to sin a, okay, and y square equal to sin b. It is the first step. Taking x square equal to sin a and y square equal to sin b. Okay, so here we get 1 minus sin square a root over plus this is 1 minus sin square b root over, okay, and this is equal to k into sin a minus sin b. Okay, and it is equal to 1 minus sin square a, this is cos square a, root over of cos square a, this is cos a, plus this is cos b. Okay, and this is k into, here k is the constant, sin a minus sin b. Okay, and this is cos a plus cos b formula. This is 2 cos of a plus b by 2 into cos a minus b by 2. Okay, and it is sin a minus sin b formula. This is 2 cos a plus b by 2, 2 cos a plus b by 2 into sin of a minus b by 2. Okay, now cos of a plus b by 2 and 2 cos of a plus b by 2 are cancelled. This term and this term are cancelled, and finally we get here, this is sin of a minus b by cos of a minus b by 2 upon sin of a minus b by 2 equal to what? This is cot of a minus b by 2. Cot of a minus b by 2 equal to this is k. Okay, আমি কোন করলে 2 cos of a plus b by 2 और 2 cos of a plus b by 2 को हमें कैंसिल कर देते रहिला कोन दिस इज cos of a minus b by 2 sin of a minus b by 2 को जदी डिवाइड कर दवा ताहले cot of a minus b by 2 हबो इक्वल राइट हैंड साइड रे के अछि ओके नाउ इन नेक्स्ट स्टेप this is equal to implies that of a minus b by 2 equal to cot inverse k hobo this is cot inverse k okay and again a minus b equal to what 2 cot inverse k a minus b equal to 2 cot inverse k now putting the value of a and b here we take here x square equal to what sin a and y square equal to what sin b this is equal to a equal to what sin inverse x square minus b equal to what sin inverse y square equal to 2 into cot inverse k and differentiating both sides with respect to x right here what differentiating both sides with respect to x we get this is 1 by 1 minus x to the power 4 root over into 2x minus this is 1 by 1 minus y to the power 4 into 2y dy by dx okay and this is constant term so equal to what derivative of constant term equal to 0 or implies that 2x upon 1 minus x to the power 4 root over equal to 2y upon 1 minus y to the power 4 root over dy by dx okay एटा माइनस अछि राइट हैंड साइड गले प्लस हे जिवो 2 2 हमें कैंसिल करि परिबा ओके ताहले ई टोटल टर्म टा एठी आसी कोन होइबो डिवाइड हे जिवो यदि डिवाइड हे जिवो ताहले हमें पाइबा कोन दिस इज implies that dy by dx equal to x into 1 minus y to the power 4 root over upon y into 1 minus x to the power 4 root over okay it is a most important question long question aguru exam re aschi board exam re okay so in this class we already completed we covered all question of exercise 7g in the next class we are discuss another content that is derivative of parametric function okay so till that take care and thanks to all of you.